Good morning.
Hello.
Last night we stayed near PA 183, I guess.
Yep.
Which was the end of a 10-mile day with our niece and our loving sister and brother-in-law. Well, my sister. It's not both of our sisters. Just mine. His sister-in-law. My brother-in-law. His brother-in-law.
Once removed.
Brought us sandwiches again, and it was awesome, and some cookies and snacks.
Yeah.
So we are
back-to-back trail magic nights from them.
Yeah, awesome. So we are in good spirits heading on to Port Clinton. And
yeah, got a good start today. Should
we
get there
did
for lunch.
pretty early. Have a lunch break, continue on.
We'll do a little bit of planning for the rest of Pennsylvania and New Jersey, so we can see some of my family.
And the elevation looks pretty flat today.
Yeah.
We don't know if the rocks come in and challenge us, but
it really does look smooth all the way.
We'll see.
All the way into Port Clinton. Well,
there's
right
a big
before
downhill.
Port Clinton, there's a big downhill into the town.
So we haven't seen much wildlife. Apparently this is a big hunting area, so the deer and the other animals don't come near us.
Yeah.
But all is well.
Sure is. It's coiled up with looking out at us. Oh my god.
I don't like that.
It's got some like heft